This is TradingETFs.com. Today is February 10th, 2016. This is an update on our open position AGQ. And I'm going to start off with the GLD trade that we closed on Monday. We closed it at 114, and we initially entered the trade on January 25th, which was this dot here, or this day. I had mentioned in a video on January 20th, which is when we had crossed above the zero line, that normally when we cross above the zero line, we get a pullback in price, and that would be the time to enter the trade. So we did get a pullback in GLD one day, and it was a pretty shallow pullback. And ultimately, we entered the trade on the next day. And you can see that the oscillator just continued to move to the upside and continued to gain momentum. And then price followed and ultimately converged with the long-term oscillator. And so again, we got out of the trade at 114. But the reason I wanted to show this GLD comparison is when we switch over to AGQ, we're seeing similar traits in this particular trade as well. We had entered the trade on AGQ on February 2nd at $28.87. We had gotten the cross above the zero line, and you can see momentum has been building for the last 6 days. And although price has moved up, I think we're up about 13%, 13.34%. And we just got a small pullback. And now after today, price moved up a little bit, but you can see the oscillator is still, these gaps in dots is still increasing momentum to the upside. So just as in the GLD trade, we got a small pullback and then the price shot up. I'm expecting the same thing to happen here. I initially put out a price target of 37 on this AGQ ETF, and it looks like sometime in the next couple days, we're going to see silver move to the upside pretty strongly. And silver had been lagging behind gold in terms of price performance. So it appears to me like we're going to get a catch-up in silver to gold's performance. And so that's my expectations, or that's why I expect price to shoot up pretty quickly over the next few days here. If we do get this move to the upside, then I will put out another video giving you closing details, what to look for, where to set your stop losses. And so that's just a quick update on AGQ, the open position. And in comparison to the GLD trade that we had, it looks like we have a similar setup. So let's see how this is going to work over the next couple of days, and I'll update you when anything changes. That's about it. Have a good night.